April here. We're going to be planting some violas here in the front. They're cold hardy and they're great in our zone 8. They should last all winter and do really well in the cold and require minimal amount of water, which is always really nice. I did plant some pansies here. Unfortunately, I did lose a big tree recently, so I thought this would be full sun, but it's not. It's still part shade. So we're going to pull the ones that survived the last couple of weeks and put these in instead, and we'll move the ones that lived somewhere else. And my buddy's here with me today. You can get one. I'm just going to try and pull out some of the weeds, and then we're going to also put the violas in. And I think I already put some biotone starter in here when I planted these, but I can't remember exactly, and I don't want to risk them not having any food. So I am going to shake a little bit more biotone starter in before I start actually putting them in. But I do want to get a general idea. Nice rock. I love it. I do want to get a general idea of where these are going to go.
Mama, more.
It's been raining a lot lately. Ooh, you found a good worm. Nice one.
I kill a worm.
It has been raining a lot, so this is nice and soft, so it won't take too much effort to get everything out. And these should be really fantastic for some really happy, bright color during the winter months when it can be a little bit of a downer because there's no sunshine out, or very little. And then if I had a hoe up here, I could use my hoe to just kind of pull some of these weeds out, but I don't have one right now.
Look, Daddy.
So before you put them in, you really want to place them to get an idea. If the plants I'm looking for are available at my local nursery, or if I can just get seeds or buy. You can do looks like. I just need to clean up the mud.
Big show from the
Water them
beginning.
in. They look beautiful.
Winter, they
Little
grow
violas.
quite a bit slower than they.
And I just wanted to show you these
They don't have that same
gorgeous
amount of
boxwoods I put
heat
in.
to encourage the growth.
And they're planted with these beautiful tiny pumpkins.
So I like to put them. I mean, even in summer, I
Fixing
plant
the
them
sprinklers
really
and
close
stools
because I
around.
like to get a good show from the beginning, rather than having to wait the
Just love
entire
the way
time.
they turned out. And we're going to enjoy putting in a few
I
more
look
of the
good?
extra violas in the
Okay,
window box
thank
over
you.
here. I think they're going to look gorgeous. So we've got 2 cabbage,
Wait, wait.
3 creeping Jenny. Okay, I'll put it down.
Okay, now before
Kinda
you put them in
crooked
the
there.
ground, take a step back.
3
make sure
creeping
you like
Jenny.
where they're placed, and if
And
you like
the
it,
pansies are actually doing okay,
in.
but
If
I'm
you
going to
don't
put
like
in
it,
some violas because
start
I
over.
don't think... Hello! I'm not sure the pansies are going to last.
What do you think? Good?
Excellent.
You telling them too? Can I have my trowel? Thank you, baby.
Again, I really like to overstuff them.
All of my plants. No, wait, your turn.
That way I can get a nice
Where's
big
your cup?
show from the beginning.
Oh, you just got a trowel, right?
Yucky.
It's okay. Gardening can be yucky sometimes. No problem.
What is it?
You're taking my trowel?
Give me my tail. Okay.
There we go.
My tail.
That really brought them back to life. Gorgeous. And it's just that easy. You just pull it and you pop the next thing in. All right, we need to water. And yeah.
Lay it down.
Beep, beep.
Okay. Baby, let's out.
Go clean up our mess and water these violas over here. I love to do the annuals. One, because it's just fun to go to the garden center. And 2, it really adds a wonderful touch of color that is really hard to get year round. So I can have my evergreens and my boxwoods and my hollies. And those look amazing. They give such great structure, but I love the pop of the annuals against the evergreens. So it just gives you a little color of joy. And it just, all together, it looks amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna water these as well. The boxwoods are quite thirsty. And I'm just watering right over the pumpkin. Won't hurt them at all. So, get these watered in. These are quite very drought tolerant, so they're really great for containers because they're going to dry out a lot faster than if they were in the ground. And I also bought them a bit bigger as well, and so the tiny boxwood. Oh, not right now, because they're so slow growing. Beep beep! Look out! Cleaning it up.
Yeah.
We gotta clean up our mess, right?
Mama, a whip.
Oh, can I change your outfit inside? Sorry. A broom might have been faster. I wonder if anyone has really started thinking about their winter vegetables. You know, my fall vegetables are still going quite strong, but my brain is definitely going more towards what to plant to grow in the fall. I mean, for the winter. So that'll be exciting. All right, can you go turn the water off?